Bitcoin trades below $65,000, Ether stays above $3,000. Bitcoin spot ETFs register 5-day withdrawal streak ahead of halving. Bitcoin miners are better positioned for the halving this time round benchmark. Ethereum on track for $1 billion annual profit as DeFi drives Q1 revenue. Mark Zuckerberg says Meta wearables that read brain signals are coming soon. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets staged partial recovery in prices during the past 24 hours as the markets experienced relief in the face of higher for longer US interest rates, which battered risk sentiment. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, traded above $64,000 crucial levels. Shubham Joshi joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 5.2% at 80,000 points. Well, focus is now on the upcoming halving event, which will take place with the generation of block number 840,000 on the Bitcoin blockchain. Less than 300 blocks were left to reach the block, with the halving set to take place by April 20. Interestingly, halving would result in the reduction of new Bitcoin being mined and hence the token scarcity, which will lead to the price rise. However, according to JP Morgan, it is more likely that the price will witness downward pressure following the halving event, while the strength of Bitcoin echoed through most crypto markets. Meanwhile, Ethereum blockchain has generated substantial profits of up to $369 million during the first quarter of 2024. Collection of transaction cost is a critical aspect of Ethereum's business model. Reduction in transaction cost, making Ethereum a more attractive platform for users as well as developers. In other news, DeFi Llama reports that in the first quarter of 2024, the total value locked in DeFi increased from a low of $36 billion to about $97 billion. However, Messari revealed slightly higher TVL data on April 18, noting that the DeFi collateral experienced a quarter-over-quarter growth of 65% to $101 billion. Nevertheless, it attributed this rise to growing underlying asset values and liquidity staking. Moving on, Solana's stablecoin supply has risen by 71% since the start of year, reaching $3 billion, the second largest rise among the major blockchains. Well, this growth is attributed to Solana's efficiencies and low liquidity requirements. Talking about the global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.34 trillion mark, increasing 4.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 12% to $110 billion. Furthermore, Toncoin, the native token of Ton Network, has recently drawn attention among the cryptocurrency community as its TVL has surpassed a staggering $148 million, marking a historical milestone. Interestingly, the token has witnessed a remarkable surge of 85% in its price in the past 24 hours. Going forward, Merlin Chain, a Bitcoin Layer 2 solution, has amassed $814 million in TVL in under 2 months, despite Bitcoin's decline to the $61,000 levels. Well, this increase is attributed to the upcoming release of Merlin's governance token, MERL, on several cryptocurrency exchanges, including OKX. Additionally, Shibarium, L2 scaling solution by Shiba Inu, has experienced a significant increase in adoption despite the ongoing crypto market turmoil, while the network's daily transaction activity has reached 416 million with the spike in December 2023. While talking about the US stock futures dropped as the conflict reignited between Israel and Iran. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell 0.76%, S&P 500 futures dropped 0.88%, and Nasdaq 100 futures traded down by 0.98% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $64,600, up 5.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4%, trading at $3,090. Talking about other altcoins, BNB was up by 2% to trade at $560. Solana Sol was up by 10% and was trading at $143. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was up by 3.5% to trade at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $35, higher 4.6%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2% to trade at $0.67. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 6% at $0.15. Shiba Inu was trading up by 4.6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.5, up 1.2%. Last on the list, Polkadot was up by 3.3% to trade at $6.7.
Thank you, Shubham, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The US-based spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds registered cumulative outflows of $4.3 million on Thursday, extending the 4-day run of withdrawals ahead of the supposedly bullish mining reward halving. Since April 12th, the ETFs have witnessed a total net outflow of over $319 million, with Grayscale's GBTC accounting for a large share of the withdrawals, provisional data published by Farside Investors showed. For instance, on Thursday, GBTC alone saw a significant loss of $90 million in outflows, which was partially offset by inflows into Fidelity's FBTC and BlackRock's IBIT. The Grayscale ETF has losing money since day one for several reasons, including the fund's relatively costly fee structure. So GBTC outflows may not be cause for concern, but the recent slower inflows into other ETFs might be. Crypto miners are the group most affected by Bitcoin's reward halving, and they are better positioned this time round due to the cryptocurrency's gains in the past 6 months, broker Benchmark said in a research report on Thursday. The largest cryptocurrency by market value rallied about 140% in the past 2 quarters, while Ether, the second largest, added 85%. The quadrennial event slows the rate of growth in Bitcoin supply by 50% and is expected to occur late this evening or early tomorrow UTC. The halving effect on cryptocurrency's price could be magnified by the concurrent demand shock created by the emergence of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds following their approval in the US. In January, the report said, "We expect the inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs to grow dramatically once institutions begin to invest in them in earnest." Blockchain network Ethereum is on the path to $1 billion in annualized profits after it netted income of $365 million in Q1, coming alongside a year-on-year quarterly revenue growth of 155%. The network's 2024 first quarter income is nearly 200% bump from the $123 million profit in Q4 2023, according to an April 17th report from the DeFi report analyst Michael Nadu. Ethereum's fee revenue earned through users paying for transactions hit $1.17 billion, up 155% from Q1 2023 and an 80% increase from the prior quarter. This activity surge has seen average daily transactions on the blockchain in 2024 already surpass last year's figures and are closing on the result from Ethereum's peak in 2021. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has hinted his firm is making progress on its first consumer neural interfaces, non-invasive wearables devices that can interpret brain signals to control computers. However, unlike Elon Musk's Neuralink brain chip, Zuckerberg explained that these devices couldn't be something that jacks into your brain, but something wearable on the wrist that can read neural signals that your brain sends through your nerves to your hand to basically move it in different subtle ways. Meta's wristband works using electromyography to interpret brain signals about desired hand gestures and translate them into commands to control devices. Earlier this year, the Meta CEO said that this neural wristband could become a consumer product in just a few years, using artificial intelligence to overcome the limitations of camera-based gesture tracking. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Tether. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, is introducing 4 new business divisions: Tether Data, Tether Finance, Tether Power, and Tether Education. These divisions aim to expand Tether's mission to provide infrastructure solutions, investments, and services. Tether Data will focus on strategic investments in artificial intelligence and peer-to-peer platforms, while Tether Finance will serve as the hub for traditional stablecoin products and financial services. Tether Power will focus on mining and energy efforts, while Tether Education will focus on digital education and blockchain adoption promotion. CEO Paulo Odoino aims to promote inclusive infrastructure solutions and support cutting-edge technology. Next on the list, we have Shiba Inu's Shibarium. Shibarium, a layer 2 scaling solution by Shiba Inu, has seen a significant increase in adoption despite crypto market turmoil. The network's daily transaction activity reached 416.8 million, with a spike in December 2023. Since its mainnet launch in August 2023, the number of wallets has reached 1.7 million and the total block has minted 4.2 million blocks. Shibarium accounts have crossed 100,000 and the total value locked across all DeFi platforms is around $2.6 million, with WhoopSwap accounting for $1.7 million. Next on the list, we have Merlin Chain. Merlin Chain, a Bitcoin layer 2 solution, has amassed $814 million in assets locked in just 2 months, despite the Bitcoin's decline to $61,000. The rise is attributed to Merlin's governance token, MERL, on various crypto exchanges, including OKX. Merlin also announced an airdrop for eligible users on OKX. However, traders should be cautious due to scams involving investment losses. The upcoming Bitcoin mining difficulty adjustment, known as the halving event, is likely the driving force. Next on the list, we have Ethereum. Ethereum, a blockchain network, has experienced 155% year-on-year quarterly revenue growth, reaching $1 billion in annualized profits. This growth is largely due to the network's Q1 income of $365 million, a 200% increase from Q4 2023's $123 million profit. Additionally, Ethereum's fee revenue reached $1.1 billion, an 80% increase from Q1 2023. This surge in activity has led to over 1.1 million average daily transactions in 2024. Market predictions suggest that crypto will outperform other assets in the upcoming years due to rising liquidity conditions, US debt refinancing, and Federal Reserve rate cuts. Additionally, the US spot Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin halving, and the innovation cycle are expected to trigger a bullish setup in the cryptocurrency market. Next on the list, we have Pepe. Coinbase International Exchange delayed the launch of Pepe Coin futures, causing a price slump and significant liquidations. The platform cited technical reasons for the delay and promised an updated timeline. The delay may have influenced Pepe's price, which lost 3.5% in value. Coinbase introduced Pepe Coin perpetual futures on April 12th, allowing traders to navigate dynamic crypto markets without expiration dates. Initially, the unveiling of perpetual futures sparked optimism, leading to a 4% surge in Pepe price. However, the price dropped 3.4%, while the popular Solana meme coin had a market capitalization of $2.05 billion. Pepe's trading volume increased 3.23% to $671.8 million in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.